for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.